Hey everyone, it's Christina DiMaselli for GEG New England, and it is springtime, time for spring cleaning. Let's take a look at Gmail and how we might organize that a little bit better as we're cleaning up here. As you can see, my inbox has a lot of messages from Twitter. When I take a look at these messages, there's a couple of things that I can do. One, well, I could go directly to Twitter and take a look at my notification settings and make it so that I'm not getting as many. I also could unsubscribe. If you look right here, it says unsubscribe. I could click there and take care of it that way. But if I do want all of this hitting my email box, there are ways that I could organize it a little so that I'm not flooded with them right here. Top left corner, your hamburger, your main menu. I click and open up this left side navigation. Click close, click open. I have some labels set up over here, courses, forums, grad profile. Labels are not folders, they're stickers. So think about where your email lives, where a piece of mail lives. It can either live in your inbox, like all the ones I see here in front of me. It could live in an archive, which is kind of a room off to the side where all of the pieces of mail are just kind of thrown onto a table. There's no folders. They're just kind of thrown in there. They're safe, but there's not a lot of organization happening. Or it could be in the trash. When I trash something, it'll sit there for 30 days before it gets permanently deleted. So if I don't want stuff in my inbox and I want to throw it into that archive room on that table, I can add a label to it. Remember, just a sticker to it, which makes it easier to search. If I would like to, anytime a Twitter email comes in, I could add a label. So I click a label. I have to create a new one because I don't have one for this one yet. So I'll create a Twitter label. Great, now I have a Twitter label. I can see it right here. I can also see it over here. That's going to get a little bit cumbersome every time that comes in, so I'd like to automate this process. So with this one selected, I'm going to look at this menu. Anytime you have the three dots, your Oreos, there's a menu underneath there. Let's filter this. Filters seem a little bit intimidating at first, but they're not that bad. We can do this. I am going to tell the system anytime that an email comes in from info@Twitter, I want you to do something with it. So let's create a filter. It will identify anything that comes in there and says, all right, I found one. What do you want me to do with it? I want to apply a label, Twitter, and I want you to skip the inbox. I want you to archive it and apply the filter to matching messages. Create the filter. Awesome. So now anytime a email comes in that is from Twitter, that info@twitter.com, the system is going to apply the Twitter label to it, and it will automatically archive it, anything that comes in. And if I look at that, it did it. It took all of them. I now have only 10 left in my inbox. All the rest are in my archives. That's pretty cool. In Twitter here, if I hover my cursor over it, again, there's my three dots, my Oreos. I click there. I'm also going to put a color on it. I'm going to make it a kind of that blue, that nice Twitter. And if I look at anything that has that Twitter label, click here. Anything with that sticker on it, it's going to find it for me in that pile of archives over there, and it will show me all of them. So go play with labels, go play with filters, get yourself a little bit organized and automated, and do a little spring cleaning.